Regardless of where we work, it's truly the people that make the company. Finding good people to scale your team, people that you're excited to work with, is not easy. Recruiters can help with the process, but it can still take months to fill a single role and can seem like a never-ending process. But the best recruiters are all around you, the people you work with. 88% of employers say that employee referrals are the #1 source for high-quality talent. Referrals accelerate employee time to hire by 55%, lower cost per hire by 70%, and increase retention by twofold. So why not make it easy for your employees to bring in the best talent they know? This is where Referral Bot comes in. Referral Bot makes it easy for your teams to submit referrals from anywhere using Slack or other collaboration tools. It tracks the progress of your referrals every step along the way and keeps your employees, hiring managers, and recruiters up to date on referral status. Knowing the ball wasn't dropped on an employee referral builds confidence in your referral process. Let's say Rana wants to refer her friend Glenn for a role on her team. She can simply start the process with Referral Bot. Rana enters Glenn's name, phone number, email, selects the role she's referring him for, and shares his resume. Referral Bot only requests the information that is needed by recruiters, keeping the referral form short and straightforward. Once she's completed the form, Referral Bot creates a candidate profile for Glenn in Greenhouse, and she receives a confirmation right away. The recruiter then receives a notification that an employee submitted a referral. The recruiter can check out Glenn's resume, reach out to him, and share his profile with the hiring manager if he's the right fit, all from Slack. The recruiting team receives a weekly referrals recap with candidate progress. A few interviews later, Glenn seems like the right person for the job, and the hiring team decides to extend him an offer. Rana receives a notification after Glenn accepts his offer and decides on a start date. Referral Bot can connect to any ATS like Greenhouse, Taleo, Jobvite, and iCIMS. Now you can build your dream team with ease and focus on getting more done, together. This is only one of the thousands of ways we use automation here at Workato to make every day more amazing than the last. Discover how you can use the power of automation to improve experiences for your employees, customers, and everyone in between. Request a demo today to get started.